You don't see your water heater often, but there it is, working for you 24/7, all year round. When it stops working for you, you need expert help. That's where Grover comes in. It might seem like a water heater is just a water heater, but there are some things to know.
A 9-year has 4,500 watt elements also, but you get a 9-year warranty instead of a 6-year warranty. It's a self-cleaning tank. And then if you step up to the 12-year, which is this one, we have the outside thermostat. We've got 5,500 watt stainless steel elements, heavy duty anode rod to help with corrosion. Okay, well what happens is on the cold water side, the dip tube that goes down into the bottom of the tank has a loop in it. So when you turn on the hot water, the fresh cold water coming in stirs the tank. And so it keeps the calcium from building up.
Often all it needs is a repair that you can do yourself, and a Grover expert can walk you through it. Keep the warm water working for you with help from Grover.